I used to be hot, sweaty, and irritable in my own home, all because of broken C-itis.
It was difficult for me to relax and be comfortable. One day, it became too much, and I knew we had a problem. We had broken C-itis. Fortunately, we had RSP Heating and Cooling. After contacting and explaining my symptoms, RSP was immediately able to diagnose my home with having broken C-itis. As soon as they went to work, my broken C-itis was fixed. Symptoms of sweating and irritability went away immediately.
RSP did a fantastic job curing my broken C-itis. They replaced our cooling system, and before I knew it, all my symptoms from broken C-itis went away. Now I can enjoy the things I love most, right in the comfort of my own home.
Thanks, RSP!
If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, you may have broken C-itis. Contact RSP Heating and Cooling today. Join the circle.